A data subject is any identified or identifiable natural person whose personal data is processed by a controller or processor. The GDPR is designed around the protection of data subjects' rights and the free movement of personal data within the European Union, EU, and the European Economic Area, EEA. Data subjects are at the heart of the GDPR, which aims to empower them with more control over their personal data. Core rights of data subjects. The GDPR enshrines several key rights for data subjects, ensuring they can exercise control over their personal data. These rights include right to information. Data subjects have the right to be informed about the collection and use of their personal data in a concise, transparent, intelligible, and easily accessible form. Right of access. Data subjects can access their personal data and obtain information on how it is being processed, ensuring transparency. Right to rectification. Data subjects have the right to have inaccurate personal data rectified and incomplete personal data completed. Right to erasure. Right to be forgotten. Under certain conditions, data subjects can request the deletion or removal of personal data when there is no compelling reason for its continued processing. Right to restrict processing. Data subjects have the right to block or suppress processing of their personal data in specific circumstances, such as when the accuracy of the data is contested. Right to data portability. This right allows data subjects to receive the personal data they have provided to a controller in a structured, commonly used, and machine-readable format. It also enables them to transmit that data to another controller. Right to object. Data subjects have the right to object to the processing of their personal data in certain situations, including direct marketing, processing for scientific or historical research, or statistical purposes. Rights related to automated decision-making and profiling. Data subjects have the right not to be subject to a decision based solely on automated processing, including profiling, which produces legal effects concerning them or similarly significantly affects them. Implementation and challenges. For controllers and processors, respecting these rights means implementing processes and mechanisms that enable data subjects to easily exercise their rights. It involves providing clear information about data processing activities, maintaining transparent data processing practices, and ensuring timely responses to data subjects' requests. Challenges may arise in balancing the rights of data subjects with other legal obligations or interests. For example, the right to erasure must be balanced against the controller's legal obligations to retain data for tax purposes or compliance with other regulatory requirements. Conclusion. The rights of data subjects form the cornerstone of the GDPR, emphasizing the importance of privacy and personal data protection. By granting individuals greater control over their personal data, the GDPR aims to foster trust in the digital economy and ensure that privacy rights are respected across the EU and EEA. Controllers and processors must diligently uphold these rights, incorporating data protection principles into their operations and fostering a culture of transparency and accountability.